all about yes, and show that it's rope, right? So it's like you're grabbing the rope and you're chewing on it. You are the mouse. And then when it breaks, you show the little, the spindles, I guess. What are those little things, right?
So today our students were working on their expressive storytelling skills through a fable called The Lion and the Mouse. And this is their way to collect all of the information that they've learned throughout the unit and being able to put that all together and sign it.
I didn't know very much about sign language, and I sometimes go nonverbal, so like I thought it was something I could use in my daily life, and it sounded cool.
My aunt and uncle are deaf, so I wanted to learn ASL so I could better communicate with them and just like build that kind of relationship with my family. So I was just going to take 1 year, and I started with Spanish actually. I was just going to do it for 1 year, just learn the basics, and I really liked it, so I kept going, and now I'm still here.
Mostly it's a non-verbal class, like we sign instead of talking, which means that teaching style is different and the way we learn is different. Like we're learning about our culture and our language, and also we all chose to be here, so it's fun as well, and this Friedli makes it really fun.
So we use our non-dominant hand to represent the part of the receiver's body. So this is our non-dominant arm, mouse.
I love seeing students learn, being able to really come outside of their shell. A lot of classes is a lot of just sitting and just taking in the information, and here we get to express ourselves, not only through just little signs, but really building community.
It's just a really great class, like not only for the actual language, but also for the like skills that you learn for interacting with people. So yeah, you learn a lot of valuable things other than just ASL.
I have friends who went through this class and now want to be an interpreter or go to an interpreter program. So it allows people to think about the options that they have available to them and like find something that they're passionate about.
It's great being able to have other students that don't even take my class come in and be like, I learned some signs. I'm like, that's great. So just being able to build community and connect, and that's what keeps me going.